We're at FANUC Europe's most westerly head office. Welcome to FANUC Ireland.
We're here at FANUC Ireland's HQ. We're in Maynooth County Kildare. This is where we have our demonstration, test, evaluation and event centre. At the core of FANUC we are a factory automation company. So typically people who come here are manufacturers, they might be automation integrators or machine builders, and also the education market, because it's important that we bring more engineers and more technicians into automation in the future here in Ireland.
So automation is very important because there's such a repetitiveness of tasks out in industry at the minute, and we're seeing a very much labour shortage. So we're seeing a lot more need for industrial robotics and cobots.
So for us, we were trying to find a robot manufacturer that had a full product suite, a full family from A to Z, and FANUC provide that. They have such a wide range of standard products. They've exposure to so many different industries, different applications, and they're the biggest robot manufacturer in the world. So for all of those reasons, we like to get involved with them.
FANUC Ireland began in 2021. Now its purpose was to support the Irish manufacturing sector, but also to support the government's goal of making Ireland a leader in Industry 4.0.
Yeah, they look really good. They're worldwide and a world leader. What we've seen so far, they look really robust. It really is, the programming is attractive. It seems very simple. Look, we would assume with a robot, we're going to have to get some sort of engineer in with coding background that can program all this from us. What we've seen here today is you just take a tablet, you get a couple of hours training on it, and the wizard that they're showing us, they've demonstrated, it's very self-explanatory. I'd like to think from the 5 minutes we've seen that we could take a stab at it already and reprogram the weld that we saw here.
Now, did you know that FANUC stands for Fuji Automatic Numerical Control? Now, even though this is a multinational company, wherever you are in the world, there will always be reference to its Japanese heritage.
Yeah, the facility is great. You are able to come here and test your own product strengths or weaknesses with a client, without a client. So it gives us a facility that we can bring clients to ultimately, and I guess test the stuff before it becomes a reality.
At JL Gore, we're proud to be associated with FANUC. As part of the plastics industry, JL Gore have been around for over 40 years, delivering plastics machinery, and as part of that, the FANUC machine is the machine of choice for a lot of our customers due to its quality and reliability.
We're trying to encourage clients to invest. They're looking for ROI, they're looking for security. We're going to spend hundreds of thousands with you. Will it work? So having this facility here helps us help them make that decision and have security in their own heads that they're making the right call.
Our view is that manufacturing should be automated. FANUC at its core is a products company. We make the world's most reliable robots, CNCs, injection molding machines and machining centres. But in Ireland, people like to do business with people. They want to know, how close is the technician to me? How close is the support engineer to me? How close are the salespeople? And that's what we do. We become the public face of FANUC here in Ireland.